How to put Cash App money on Apple Pay. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to put Cash App money on Apple Pay. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You cannot directly link Cash App and Apple Pay, but you can add your Cash App card to Apple Pay to use your Cash App balance for payments. To do that, open the Cash App home screen and go to the Card tab. Next, select Add to Apple Pay option and follow the on-screen prompts. Further, open Apple Wallet and select the Plus tab and add a new card. Now, enter your Cash App card information and then follow the screen prompts. Further, open Cash App again to verify that your card has been added. Once your Cash App card is added to Apple Pay, you can use it to make payments at any merchant that accepts Apple Pay. To make a payment, tap on your device on the contactless payment terminal and authenticate with Touch ID, Face ID, or your passcode. So, this is how you can put Cash App money on Apple Pay. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.